What's up, Mustangs, and welcome back to episode 2 of The Main. My name is Emir Armstead Lee.
And my name is Matthew Bigham.
And we're your hosts for today. In this episode, we'll have a recap of the election,
a few senior shout-outs,
fun fall recipes.
But first, let's have some fun with some Mustang mini-games.
I'm Asad, senior.
I'm Radley, I'm a junior, and welcome to The Main Mini Games.
Yeah.
That's mine. Bro, all that, yeah. And you're cooked.
You're not done.
Yeah.
Bro, your tissue has to touch the back of the cup. I'm done.
I've been done. I was very thirsty. I appreciate this. It's like crumbs in my eye. Bro. It's like I'm a crab. That is not the method.
I wish I had nails, bro. Give me some French tips and I'm telling you. No! Say you swear. Oh my God. I just saved myself $150.
Those are some fun mini-games, Mustangs. But now, let's get a recap of the current political election.
Political speed recap. Let's go! March 2023. The DNC declares their full support for President Biden's re-election. Former President Donald Trump is indicted for his hush money scandal. April 2023. Joe Biden announces his intention to run for re-election. Donald Trump solidifies his position as a Republican frontrunner. August 2023, Trump is indicted on charges related to classified documents, causing political controversy. June 2023, former President Donald Trump is indicted a second time on different charges. August 2023, former President Donald Trump is indicted a third and fourth time. May 2024, Trump is found guilty on 34 counts in his New York trial, making him the first U.S. president to be convicted of a felony. June 2024, Supreme Court rules that Trump has presidential immunity. 6-3. July 2024, President Biden holds a press conference to address his capability to run for re-election and makes several mistakes. Trump is shot in the ear in an assassination attempt at a campaign rally in Pennsylvania. The RNC is held in Wisconsin, and J.D. Vance is announced as Trump's running mate. President Biden announces he will not seek re-election, endorsing Kamala Harris. August 2024, Kamala Harris confirmed as a Democratic presidential nominee and announces Tim Walz as her running mate. The 2024 DNC is held in Chicago. September 2024, Harris and Trump have their first presidential debate. A shooting takes place at Trump's golf club in Florida while Trump was present. That's all for now. See you next time. This is Veda Koritala for The Main.
Hey Matthew, were you at the football game last Friday?
No, I wasn't.
Well, if you were there, you would have gotten to see our mini Mustangs bust a move on the football field.
Hi, I'm Addie and I'm in 8th grade.
My name is Vivi and I'm in 4th grade. I'm Addie and I'm in 5th grade. Well, I really like watching the other dancers, and it's fun to like smile and see everybody else.
It's just the experience. I've never been to a high school football game before, and I just loved seeing the game close up instead of in the stands.
I think it's just dancing because I really love to dance.
And I've actually never danced with pom-poms, so it was just a really fun experience, like doing that.
To do all the sidelines and just do the pom-pom parts.
I feel like facial expressions can like help getting everyone like pumped up about dancing and stuff. So yeah, I think facials.
If someone doesn't like watching dance, then that's fine, but I really want people to be happy when they see me dance.
Sounds right.
1, 2, 3.
It's a scorpion. Well, one of my favorite like dance moves is probably a stag jump.
That was so good.
Thank
Good
you.
job.
Man, I love the fall. The weather's changing, the leaves are falling, and there's so many fun fall activities. What do you like to do during the fall?
Well, I'm not really sure, but we can see what your fellow Mustangs like to do.
As we move further into the fall season, the leaves change around us. But our activities inside and outside of school change as well. And we wanted to know what our fellow Mustangs are most looking forward to this coming fall.
My name is Esther.
My name is Gianna.
Sandri.
I'm Allie.
My favorite fall activity is going to pumpkin patches. Probably apple picking. I love apple picking.
Going trick-or-treating with my little brother.
I like to go to pumpkin patches with my friends.
My favorite Halloween movie is Coraline.
Definitely Beetlejuice.
like Beetlejuice all the way.
The Ring, or the horror movie. And I like Halloween Town.
My favorite thing about fall is probably Fright Fest. It's Halloween.
Hanging out with my friends, especially on Halloween. Cold and being able to wear sweatshirts.
My favorite fall food is apple pie, potato pie,
Pumpkin pie, mashed potatoes.
This is Jensen with The Main.
Are you enjoying this episode of The Main?
Do you want to be a part of the fun?
Ask your counselor how you can join media, communication, and productions.
Or stop by room F216.
Amir, do you like SpongeBob?
Of course I love SpongeBob.
Well, let's hear about the upcoming SpongeBob collab meal at Wendy's.
Rev up those fryers, because I am sure hungry for one. Help! Help! My leg!
Are you ready, kids? In just a couple weeks, Wendy's will be releasing a limited time collaboration meal themed around SpongeBob SquarePants to celebrate the show's 25th anniversary. The exclusive meal will be perfect for any big SpongeBob fans who have always wanted to try the one and only Krabby Patty. The meal will consist of a premium cheeseburger with secret Krabby Patty sauce, hot and crispy fries, and a pineapple under the sea frosty, made with pineapple and mango puree. Perfect for fans of all ages.
So I've heard about the SpongeBob meal. I'm so excited for it. I've literally been Googling it like every day, keeping track, seeing when it's coming out, everything.
I am so excited to try it. I've seen so many ads on Snapchat and other social media pages that I'm just overly thrilled to try it.
It's been my dream since I was a kid, ever since I watched SpongeBob, to eat the Krabby Patty, so I'm super excited.
I play Brawl Stars, and so the meal is all over Brawl Stars, and so I'm just excited to flick up with the meal and post it on my own social media.
I'm just excited to try everything. I hope it comes with a toy. I'm hoping it has a toy. I want a little Patrick toy, a little SpongeBob toy, I don't know. I'm excited for the pineapple frosty too. I think the pineapple frosty is gonna be real good, so that's what I'm excited for. And to see what the Krabby Patty sauce actually tastes like.
I'm super excited to try the meal because it's like limited edition, and I love me some limited edition meals. Like, throwback to the Grimace Shake, I love that meal. So I'm super thrilled to try this meal out.
Coming to Wendy's locations on October 8th. This is Matthew Bigham for The Main.
Wow, talking about all that food has really made me hungry. How about you?
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. Well, let's take one more look at my favorite fall recipe.
During your extended second periods, you've been hearing a lot about AI.
Well, let's learn more about AI from Ahmad Waggle and Jordan Hightower.
The late 20th century to early 21st century has introduced the world to the power of computation. Multi-billion-dollar companies such as NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel have led the way for innovation, making chips smaller, cooler, and faster. This has all culminated with the dawn of AI. At its current state, while AI resembling its sci-fi counterparts is in truth much less sophisticated. AI such as ChatGPT, Sora, and DALL-E are generative programs that use previous human works in massive libraries to mash all the data together to get a cohesive and somewhat accurate answer that does appear unique. While it might not be Hal from A Space Odyssey, the implications of such software does pose a worry, as we have already seen the negatives of AI begin to surface. Given the concerns about AI, especially within Mattia, we sat down with Mr. Page, who oversees AI usage in our school.
Yeah, I use AI for personal use pretty often. Thinking about when I'm taking a trip, asking AI where I should consider going and how much things might cost. I use it to help with my meal planning and my grocery list every week. In school, I use AI tools for a variety of reasons. One of my favorite ways to use AI is when I want to show students examples of what not to do. I think there's a couple of real drawbacks with AI tools that all of us need to be aware of. One of the biggest ones is AI can be wrong. AI can make stuff up. And AI is really confident at being wrong when it is wrong. Another big drawback is that while AI tools can do a lot for us, but kind of by definition, it does an average job at it. Now, it's average at everything, which is remarkable, but it's still just average. And so there's things that we can always be doing better. And so we need to be learning how to do those things and how to be experts at those things, and not allowing AI necessarily to be an endpoint, but a brainstorming partner or a way to kind of get us moving in a direction. And then we as experts can take it from there.
Hey, over there, you.
What are you doing?
Giving a senior shout out.
That's not a senior shout out, but this is.
What's up, Mustangs? I'm MC Lucy.
I'm MC Haley. And I'm MC Madison.
And this is
Senior Shoutout! Woo!
Oh yeah! We have Chase Lobos come up to the front.
Oh yeah!
People voted you for our senior shout out this month. Chase Lobos is a loving and energetic person who is always generous to others. He is a very funny guy who shows Mattia life by knowing how to have fun and also doing his work. Chase is the best classmate and friend to have. Wow.
Thank you.
Wow. To Mattia Valley. We appreciate you.
Thank you.
Any words? Any words?
Thank you for the advice.
Yeah. Cool. All right. Thanks, guys.
Oh my God! Can we have Tessa come up to the front, please?
Come on down, Tessa.
Tessa was nominated for the following reasons. She is a very energetic person, always trying to bring up the positive energy around her. She's pretty cool, and she's always there for all of her friends. They all greatly appreciate her.
Oh,
wow.
Yeah! Let's give a round of applause for her.
Alright, that's it for this month's Senior Shoutout.
If you guys want to nominate some other senior, click the link in the description or follow MV Publications for more updates.
Thank you for watching this episode of The Main.
If you want to see more of our content, head over to our YouTube channel and be sure to subscribe.
If that isn't enough, make sure to follow our Instagram handle @MattiaMain.
From all of us here at Broadcast Journalism and Productions,
stay amazing.